Hey everyone! Today, we're going to explore how to set up an on-prem agent. This agent allows you to securely access on-prem apps, databases, and folders without opening ports in the corporate firewall. It helps with data synchronization, writing to data tables, and data retrieval, ensuring maximum security and compliance. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. First, connect to Engini using the computer where you want to install the agent. Navigate to the Connections page by clicking on Connections on the left sidebar. Click on On-Prem Agents tab at the top and then on Add Agent. Enter the following details in the form. Agent name. Token, automatically created by Engini. Parallel tasks amount, default is 2. Task pulling period, default is 10 seconds. Log level, choose between information and debug. Copy the token and click on the Save button. Next, click on Download Agent at the top of the agent's details. After a few seconds, click on the file and a blue window will pop up. Click on Run Anyway to continue. Click Next, accept the end-user license agreement and click Next. Specify the destination and click Next. Enter the token and click Next. If you didn't copy the token, go back to the Connections page, click on the 3 dots next to the agent, click Edit and copy the token. Click Install to begin the installation. Click Yes on the pop-up window and Finish when completed. Open the Services app on your computer, search for Engini's agent, and check if the agent is running. Finally, after running the file, go back to On-Prem Agents on the Engini website and click on the refresh icon. The status should change to Online. If it hasn't, check the status of the Engini service in Services. If the service isn't running, contact us at info@engini.io. After setting up your on-prem agent, you can configure it in a connection such as MS SQL or IBM DB2. For MS SQL, navigate to your Connections page and select Add Connection. Search up for MS SQL connection from the list and enter the required details to set up the connection. Navigate to the communication channel and set up the channel to run on your custom on-prem agent. That's it for today's guide on setting up the Engini on-prem agent. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.